Most of the time, people ask me or message me in person whether they are doing their yoga practice in a right way. So I thought of giving a very simple explanation how to know that you are practicing right yoga. Right? See, the answer lies in yoga itself. How? Little bit explanation for my foreigner students. Actually, the correct word pronunciation is yog, Y-O-G. The pronunciation of yoga has come from spelling yoga, Y-O-G-A, because of Devanagari Lipi with diacritical mark. Okay, what is the simple meaning of yoga? Don't go into origination of yoga word etc. Yoga is addition. So, any type of yoga is right yoga what you are practicing if every day you are adding energy and strength to your body, mental calmness to your mind and connection to your body and soul. Remember, if you are practicing yoga for only body or specific body parts or mind or soul, then it may be anything, but it is not yoga for sure.